Hello, this is a video tutorial like how easy it is to connect Fabric Onelake to Cloudflare R2. The first thing you do is you create a lake house. Let's call it beta. I know it's very original. Then this is my Cloudflare bucket. I mainly save some public data. The reason I use it is sometimes I want to share data and you don't necessarily know the users. So if you are hosting something in Australia and the user, say from Japan or North Europe, or download your data, then you may end up paying a lot in egress fees. So all you need to do is you need to get a token. Today you cannot basically you cannot connect to just one bucket, like because the endpoint is global. For example, if you want to connect to Google Cloud, you can just define just one bucket. But for Cloudflare, we don't have the option yet. So the only way to connect, you need a token that can list all the buckets. So you need admin read only. So you select that and you click create API token. This is temporary, so it's not deleted later. So you copy the endpoint. First, I want to connect to the raw data. Let's try a new connection. Yeah, it did detect that I have it already, but just for the purpose of this video, all you have to do is just copy access ID. And access key. And that's it. So for the file section, which is the unmanaged, basically you can put anything you want. It doesn't need to be data table. Yeah, select those files. And that's it, you can see the file. Keep in mind we're not copying, it's just here it's listed the file. It's only when you use the file, then physically the file will be copied. But there is a nice trick, is that in Onelake, there is a local cache, but the retention period is only 1 day. It means if you do remote call, that file will be stored for just 1 day and the next day it will expire. Obviously, it's a good thing. It means it will be faster and you don't need to do like expensive remote calls. Let's go back to, yep, so here unmanaged section, we have like raw data. We can try the same thing. So we have already defined the connection. I like this very much because you don't you define only the connection and you can reuse it. And not only that, you can share the connection with other users, which is very powerful. It means they will not have access to the credential, but they can use the connection to access data. Click next. All those tables are delta tables, so for the moment, let's just connect to one table. By the way, as of today, regardless of your authentication, when you do shortcut to Cloudflare and Google Storage, it's read-only by design. Like regardless, even if you have like write access. This one, it will take at least the first call. I think around 40 seconds. Actually, 20 seconds. Yep, and here it is, just a delta table. Keep in mind, this delta table was generated outside of Fabric. It's not, but that's like the beauty of the whole open ecosystem. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, so thanks for listening.